Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show you how to do this really quick, easy, and simple little makeup look. It's what I do like every day. So if you like it, keep on watching. Okay, so first this is gonna be like a get ready with me, like a talk through, get ready with me. So first I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm come back and finish. Okay, so I pretty much have brows done. So I'm gonna jump into my face real easy, real quick. So I'm just gonna moisturize, and I just use regular lotion because I'm not really a fan of moisturizer. Okay, so then I take my Maybelline Fit Me's. I have one in dewy, one in matte. I've had the matte one for a long time, but the matte one is, the matte one is lighter than the dewy one, so I mix it so I don't look too dark. Okay, and then I tried these new sponges. It's by Sonia Kashuk, Sonia something. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, and then when I get to my neck part, I get my Real Techniques brush, if I can find it. I sprayed it a little with some lavender and chamomile from Mario Badescu, and I run it down my neck. Okay, and then I go back one more time with some spray when it's looking a little dry, and I go back and blend it out one more time. Okay, so then I go in with my Airspun. Oh wait, no, I'm skipping a part. Concealer. I'm trying the new Maybelline. What is this? The Instant Age Rewind. It's my second time using it, and I really liked it. I liked it the first time, so let me try it. So then I go in back with my sponge and I blend that out. Okay, and then I take whatever I have left, put that on my chin. Okay, now I go in with my Airspun in the color Naturally Neutral. And I put that everywhere I put the concealer, which is just under my eyes and on my chin. Okay, and then I let that sit for a little bit. Then I take some powder on the tip of my sponge, and I carve my cheekbones to give it a little bit of a sharper look when I add bronzer. Once I add that, I go back with my with the fluffy brush and I blend out what's left under my eyes. Okay, and then since I didn't set the rest of my face, I go back in with the same fluffy brush and dust that on my forehead. Okay, so now I go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronzer in the color Deep. I think this is a darkest shade, and I just use that to bronze up my cheeks. And I take an angled, I don't know, what is this, fluffy blending brush? Yeah, angled brush, and I go in and add my bronzer. And then I take a smaller blending brush if I can find it. So I just take a smaller blending brush and I use the same bronzer and I put it on my nose. Okay, and then I go back in with the same fluffy brush, brush the extra powder off. And then I also, because I don't think I'm doing eyeshadow today, so I just go in with a fluffy brush and then I set my eyelids with some more powder. Just so they won't be shiny. Okay, then once that's done, I spray my face again so I don't look dry. And I go back in with my sponge and blend the rest out. And I'm almost done because the only thing I need is blush. So I use two blushes. I use the Tarte blush in the color Feisty. And then I use Milani's in the color, I think it's, I don't know what that says, honestly. I think it's Dolce Pink, yeah. And this one has like shimmer in it, so that's why I put this one on last. It's like that. Now go in with the flat brush and the Tarte one first. Okay, and then I go in with the Milani one on top. Then I kind of drag it up because of the shimmer. And I add some on my nose as well. And that's that. And then my last thing I do is I add my Wet n Wild highlighter in color Precious Petals, and I spray it. Then I go back in and I add some to my eyebrows. I just had that brush. Oh, there it is. Okay, and then to top it off, I go in with my favorite gloss, the gloss you probably always see me in, and this is from Sephora. It's the color, I think it's number 12, Bubblegum. It's like a sparkly pink, super cute. And then I go back in with any clear gloss that you have. Okay. And that is pretty much it for this look.